I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a website in Canva using your phone. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the website design type. You'll find many options, so scroll through and select a template that best suits your project. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your site, giving you a professional starting point without needing any design experience. Now, let's dive into customizing your chosen template. On your phone, simply tap on any text box to edit its content, or tap an image to replace it with one from your gallery or Canva's library. You can also change colors and fonts to match your brand. Adding new pages is straightforward, allowing you to build a comprehensive site with several distinct sections. To make your website more interactive, you can easily add links. Just select text or an image, then choose the link option to connect to another page or an external site. You can also embed videos from platforms like YouTube or integrate social media feeds. Remember to adjust font styles and sizes to ensure your content is clear and easy to read for all visitors on their mobile devices. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to publish. Before going live, always preview your website to check for any last-minute adjustments. When everything looks great, tap the Publish Website button. Canva offers a free domain, or you can connect your own custom domain for a more personalized touch. Your new website will be live and accessible to everyone in just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.